Today on COC, we're going to change our battery in our zforce. So come on. Step 1 is to take out two 10mm bolts. You'll find one here and one on top. So let's get to it. Okay. Take our ruler and set it aside. I recommend putting your bolts in your cover so you'll have those for later. So the next step is to get a 1/2-inch socket and put it on the bottom of your battery holder here. And then we're going to take that off. Just like so. Working already. See that? We don't need a tool. Now I'm going to take the battery holder out and then hook it from the strap. Now there is a battery holder on each side. But we're only taking off one battery holder. We made it. We got the strap off. So the next thing you need to do here is take your battery and tip it towards you a little bit. And take your 10mm wrench and take the 10mm bolt out of the negative side. Once again, I just use my fingers. It's a little easier once you get it loose just to use your fingers. Then we're going to repeat that on the positive side. Okay, so as you can see, I had to push the battery forward a little bit more to reach the positive side. So now we're going to take our 10mm wrench and take out our 10mm bolt on the positive side. Just like so. Okay, there we go. Just like so. So after you get both bolts loosened on the positive and negative side, your battery should just lift out like so. Now I'm going to show you. This is the other holder for the strap. So after you get your batteries out, this is the holder for your strap on the other side. So now it's time to reassemble. Just gonna lift our battery back up and over. So we're gonna start with the positive cable. So the easiest way to do that is to take your smaller wire and put your bigger wire over it, like so. And we're going to put the bolt through like that. There we go. So now we got our bolt back in on the positive side, and we need to tighten it. I don't think I can use fingers to tighten it though. So now we're going to do the same thing on the negative side. I'm gonna put the small wire first and the big one over the top of it. I'm gonna put our bolt just like so. Ooh. Be careful not to make sparks like I just did. Now we're going to tighten our 10mm bolt on the negative side. Okay, so now we have to put the battery strap back on, which has to go underneath your wires like so. I started on this side and I hooked it underneath the wires. And now we got to come to this side, and what we're going to do first is we're going to put the battery holder on first. It's going to go like this, and then we're going to put it in place there. There it goes. I got to find our nut. I'm going to slide that on. So now we're going to tighten the bolt we put on the strap holder. Now we get our other one. I started with my fingers here. Now we're going to tighten it. Okay. So now the last step we got to do is put our battery cover back on. So we're going to tighten our 10mm bolts up here. And then one down here. And now we're ready for our next adventure. Okay, so let's start it up to make sure I hook the battery up right. Yay, we did it! So if you found this video to be helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time.